What's going on, everybody? Today I will be doing a VESA Mount installation guide for you guys on the Samsung Odyssey G3 Monitor. This is the 24-inch version. Chances are you guys have the exact same model, as you guys can tell from the back over here. But before we get into the video, make sure to subscribe and click that bell notification button. But we are going to check out this monitor right now. This is the stand that came with it, and as you guys can see, I mean, it looks pretty decent, right? The colors of this monitor is outstanding, by the way. I really like the Odyssey G3, as you guys can see with my gaming setup, but it takes up a little bit of space on this desk. Look how big this stand is. Now, personally, if you guys are like me, you guys like a cleaner desk, and that is why I'm going to show you guys how to VESA mount this monitor to add it on a cleaner monitor arm. Now, this is the back of the monitor. Obviously, we're going to take this nicely and put it down on a soft surface so you do not scratch your monitor. It's very important, guys. Now you guys will see at the back of the stand, you guys can probably wiggle it a little bit like this. There is this type of switch. You guys are gonna press that upwards and gently remove the stand like so. That is very easy. Now we're going to get into the VESA arm installation. As you guys can see, you simply line up the monitor arm like this. Also fairly easy, and you guys can use the screws over here. Usually they come with the monitor arm or with the monitor, so don't worry about that too much. I'm just going to tighten all the screws with my hand first before we move on to the screwdriver, just so it's not too difficult and the stand doesn't move around too much. I am basically done with the VESA mount installation, but I still need to show you guys how it looks with my new gaming setup. But of course, guys, before we do that, I want to show you guys this monitor on Amazon. It's going for $110 right now. It's currently on sale, so make sure to check it down below in the description, as well with the monitor arm. It will also be down there. But as you guys can see, this is how it looks, and I have to say, it looks way cleaner, and I really like my setup like this. As you guys can see, you now have a lot more space on your desks for your gaming needs. You can also move around your mouse pad without having to worry to pick up your monitor the whole time or move it around. But this is personally just my opinion, and this is why I prefer monitor arms rather than the base stands. But it's obviously up to you guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this guide. I will link a video up here in the right side corner of this monitor unboxing and a little bit of a review if you guys wanted to check that out. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you guys in the next one. Peace out.